Have you ever woken up more tired than when you went to bed? Maybe your back aches, your neck feels stiff, or you find yourself tossing and turning all night long. If so, you're not alone. As we get older, sleep becomes more precious and sometimes more elusive. But here's something many people don't realize. The way you sleep, the actual position you sleep in, might be the hidden culprit behind many of your aches, pains, and even serious health issues. In fact, certain sleeping positions have been linked to everything from acid reflux to breathing problems to chronic joint pain. Yes, that cozy position you've used for decades might be doing you more harm than good. But don't worry, we're going to fix that together. Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to the channel where we celebrate wisdom, well-being, and the beautiful journey of aging gracefully. Today, we're going to have a real heart-to-heart about something most of us don't think twice about: how we sleep. Not the number of hours, though that's important too, but the position we're in during those hours. You see, when we were younger, we could probably fall asleep in a rocking chair or on a bus and still wake up fine. But as we age, our bodies become more sensitive to pressure points, alignment, and even subtle things like how our neck is tilted. That's why many older adults struggle with sleep disorders, back pain, or restless nights, and don't even know that their sleeping posture might be the cause. So in this video, we're going to explore 5 common sleeping positions and how they might be quietly hurting your health. We'll also talk about easy, gentle ways to adjust your sleeping posture so you can wake up feeling rested, pain-free, and ready to enjoy the day. And remember, this isn't about flipping your world upside down overnight. It's about making small, smart changes that honor your body and help you sleep better, because you deserve nothing less. Before we begin, quick note on body awareness. Our sleeping position is often something we don't even think about. It's just what feels normal. But sometimes, normal isn't what's best for us anymore. That's why it's important to listen to your body. Are you waking up with joint stiffness, numb hands, a sore back, or a cranky mood? These could be signs that your body isn't happy with how you've been sleeping. And the good news? With a few thoughtful tweaks, you can turn your bedroom into a true healing space. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into the first sleeping position that might be causing more harm than you realize. Number 1, sleeping on your stomach, the silent spine saboteur. Let's start with one of the most common and most problematic sleeping positions: lying on your stomach. Now, I know some of you may have been sleeping this way for decades. It can feel comforting, like you're hugging the bed. But here's the truth. Sleeping on your stomach can quietly wreak havoc on your spine, neck, and internal organs over time. Why? Because when you sleep on your stomach, your spine is forced into an unnatural position. Your neck has to twist to one side so you can breathe. And that puts enormous strain on your cervical spine, the part that supports your head and neck. Plus, your back isn't getting the support it needs, which can lead to lower back pain, especially if you're using a soft mattress that causes your belly to sink in. What can happen if you keep sleeping this way? Stiff neck or frequent headaches, numbness in arms or hands from pinched nerves, chronic lower back pain, trouble breathing deeply. Now, don't worry, we're not going to ask you to completely change overnight. But if you're a stomach sleeper, here are a few gentle things you can try. Simple fixes. Train your body to sleep on your side. Start by placing a pillow under one side of your body while lying on your side. This can help your body adjust gradually. Use a thinner pillow or no pillow at all under your head if you must sleep on your stomach. This reduces neck strain. Put a pillow under your hips to support your lower spine and reduce pressure. Small changes like these can ease you into a healthier sleep position without sacrificing comfort. Number 2, sleeping in the fetal position, cozy but cramping your style. Next up is the fetal position, curled up on your side with your knees tucked toward your chest. This is actually one of the most popular sleeping positions, especially among women. It feels safe, warm, and comforting, like being wrapped in a soft blanket of memories. But here's the catch. Curling too tightly into a fetal ball can cause joint stiffness, muscle tightness, and even restrict your diaphragm, which makes it harder to breathe deeply. And for seniors, joint flexibility is already a delicate issue. Sleeping too tightly curled up can lead to hip pain, back soreness, or even numb legs from restricted circulation. Think of it like this. Your body needs space to stretch, breathe, and relax while you sleep. Imagine trying to spend 8 hours folded into a chair. Your joints wouldn't be happy in the morning. So, how do we make this position work better for your body? Simple fixes. Loosen the curl. Instead of pulling your knees all the way up, keep them slightly bent and relaxed. Use a pillow between your knees. This keeps your hips aligned and reduces pressure on your lower back and knees. Support your upper arm. Place a pillow under your top arm to avoid shoulder strain. And if you're someone who deals with arthritis or joint pain, these small adjustments can go a long way toward reducing morning discomfort. Sleep, wisdom from the heart. The goal isn't to make your sleep rigid or uncomfortable. It's to help your body feel loved and supported while you rest. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. So, the better your position, the better your healing. And remember, it's okay to move around during the night. Our bodies naturally shift as we sleep. But starting in a better position gives your body the best chance to rest peacefully. Number 3, sleeping flat on your back. Good for some, trouble for others. Now, let's talk about sleeping flat on your back, arms at your sides, or resting on your chest. This position is often praised by chiropractors and sleep experts because it allows your head, neck, and spine to rest in a neutral position, no twisting or bending. And for many people, it can help reduce acid reflux, improve posture, and minimize wrinkles. Yes, really. But it's not perfect for everyone. The downside? For older adults, especially those with sleep apnea or snoring problems, this position can make things worse. When you lie flat, gravity pulls your tongue and soft tissues back toward your throat, which can partially block your airway. If you or your partner have ever noticed you snore loudly or sometimes gasp for air during sleep, back sleeping might be contributing to the issue. Also, for those with lower back pain, lying flat can cause the spine to arch slightly, which puts pressure on the lumbar region. So, is it all bad? Not at all. It just needs a little tweaking. Simple fixes. Use a pillow under your knees to support the natural curve of your spine. This relieves lower back tension. Try a wedge pillow or adjustable bed to keep your head slightly elevated if you snore or have breathing issues. Choose the right pillow under your head. Not too high, not too flat. Your neck should feel supported, not bent. For many seniors, this position can actually improve sleep quality if done right. It encourages even weight distribution and can help with joint pain. Number 4. Side sleeping. Healthy, but choose your side carefully. Side sleeping is one of the best positions for older adults, but which side you sleep on can make a surprising difference. Let's break it down. Left side sleeping is great for digestion and heart health. It can reduce acid reflux and improve circulation to your heart. Right side sleeping, while still generally good, might worsen acid reflux or heartburn in some people. Many people instinctively choose a side, but knowing how each side affects your body can help you make small changes for better sleep. Now, side sleeping does come with its own set of issues, especially if you're using the wrong pillow or your mattress isn't supportive. You may wake up with a sore shoulder, hip pain, or even numbness in your arm if circulation gets cut off. Simple fixes. Use a supportive pillow that keeps your head aligned with your spine. Place a pillow between your knees to reduce pressure on your hips and lower back. Alternate sides occasionally to avoid overloading one shoulder or hip every night. And if you're dealing with conditions like acid reflux, try to sleep more on your left side. It's a simple switch that can lead to better digestion and fewer nighttime disruptions. Number 5, the winner, side sleeping with support, the senior special. So what's the best sleeping position for seniors? Side sleeping with the right support is usually the winner. It balances the benefits of comfort, circulation, digestion, and spinal alignment when done properly. We like to call it the senior special position. Lying on your left side with a pillow between your knees, a good pillow under your head, and maybe even a small pillow hugged against your chest to support your upper shoulder and arm. This position does a lot of things right: eases joint pressure, reduces acid reflux, keeps airways more open than back sleeping, supports spinal alignment, and best of all, it's gentle on your body and easy to maintain throughout the night. If you're not already sleeping this way, give it a try for a week. Most people notice they wake up with less stiffness, fewer aches, and a clearer head. Let your bed work with you, not against you. The truth is, the way you sleep matters a lot. We spend about 1/3 of our lives in bed. That's a lot of time for our body to either heal or hurt. By making these simple changes, you're not just improving your sleep, you're protecting your health, your joints, and your well-being. Small adjustments, big results. Let's take a moment to reflect. You've spent your life taking care of others, raising families, working hard, solving problems big and small. Now, it's time to take care of yourself, and that starts with something as simple and powerful as how you sleep. We often overlook our sleeping position, thinking, "I've always slept this way, it's just what I'm used to." But when you reach your golden years, the body becomes a little more sensitive. What used to work in your 30s or 40s might not be serving you now. The great news is this: you don't need to completely overhaul your life to see real improvements. Just making small, thoughtful changes, like using a pillow under your knees, adjusting your head support, or switching from stomach sleeping to supported side sleeping, can ease joint pain, reduce nighttime tossing, and help you wake up feeling refreshed, not exhausted. Remember, sleeping on your stomach might be hurting your neck and spine. The fetal position, while cozy, needs tweaking for proper joint support. Back sleeping works for some, but not if you snore or have lower back pain. Side sleeping, especially on your left side, is generally best when done with support. And the senior special, side sleeping with pillows in just the right places, can truly transform your nights. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's when your body repairs, your mind resets, and your soul rests. So don't settle for waking up tired or achy. You deserve better. Let me tell you something from the heart. It's never too late to improve your sleep or your health. You're not stuck with bad habits or painful mornings. You have the power to make these gentle shifts, and your body will thank you for it. Try one change at a time. No need to do everything overnight. Maybe tonight, you add that pillow between your knees. Next week, you try sleeping more on your left side. Bit by bit, your nights will get better, and so will your days. Because when you sleep well, everything else starts to feel a little easier. You have more energy to do what you love. You feel steadier on your feet. You're in a better mood, and your body just feels lighter. Sleep truly is one of life's most healing medicines, and it's free, right in your own bed. So tonight, as you settle in, remember that taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential. You've earned this comfort. You've earned this peace. If you found these tips helpful, why not help someone else too? Share this video with a friend, a spouse, or even your grandkids. Good sleep is a gift worth passing on. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Here on this channel, we're building a community where seniors support each other, grow wiser together, and enjoy every stage of life with joy and confidence. You're never too old to learn something new, and you're never alone on this journey. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope you sleep better tonight and every night moving forward. Until next time, take care of yourself, and remember, the best years of your life aren't behind you. They're just beginning.